looks like a girl that wears like a choker chain. So it's crunch time a few days before the event, and here we are building the car for Cody. I've been out of the game a while, but not much has changed.
Nope. Same old last minute shit.
Cody's up here finishing up all the boost pipe. Got enough T-bolts for everything?
Yep, to this sweet old HKS air filter.
So you're just T-bolting the air filter?
Well, that's a lot of airflow.
You're gonna run all the boost with that, or are those gonna be enough?
All of it.
You should probably get
as much as the earth will give me.
You should probably get all like some of those vibrant like weld-on clamps for all that pressure.
Oh, we ain't got time. I tried to order them, but they told me they wouldn't be here. Got a race. Race wars.
Hey, what are you doing down there?
Bolt my eBay exhaust together.
You what?
Nothing.
Did you say JDM exhaust?
JDM exhaust.
That's what he's doing. See those welds? Those are JDM welds.
That's cool. They could have
What?
They could have put the other fucking hanger on it and only welded one on.
Flow. Damn, Daniel. So in 2017, the Big Lots, the brand that Big Lots carries, it's not Big Lots brand, but it's the one they carry, whatever, was rated the #1 over all these other brands that were like thousands of dollars. It was rated #1 in 2017. It wasn't rated #1 in 2018, but I'm fine with your old statistics. Like, fuck that.
It was one of those box ones where it pops out?
Yeah.
It's a real tiny thing?
Yeah. We got home, we unfolded it and laid in it, and we didn't move. So there's some that are like super stiff, then there's some where you do sink in too much, and then there's some where You know, they're like just right. So it's like fucking 3 little wolves or whatever. Porridge is just right.
You can finally use this. Oh crap, what kind is that? I've had this thing forever. Never had anything that has the right size coupler cord.
For what?
This HKS filter.
You still have that?
Yeah.
That's from like '09.
Came off my Subaru.
Yeah, it did, huh?
I've never, dude. You know how much more money we get out of this thing because it's got an HKS air filter?